How LED Batten Light is made in factory. Workers begin by assembling circuit boards onto the light housings. Hello everyone. Today we will show you how an LED Batten Light is manufactured in a factory, step by step. Let's review the initial dimensions. The 1200mm span looks right. Agreed. I'll mark the adjustments. Step 2. Raw material selection. Step 3. Aluminum body cutting. Step 4. LED PCB assembly. Step 5. Driver installation. Secure the LED driver with screws. Use a screwdriver to tighten the mounting screws firmly. Step 6. Internal fitting.
Diffuser cover fixing.
Step 8. End cap installation. Slide the end cap into place. Press firmly to secure it. System check complete. Initiating quality test. Confirm. Manufact 400. Temperature stable. Safety pass. Test successful. Step 10. Packing and dispatch. Thanks for watching. This efficient process delivers high-quality LED lighting solutions worldwide.